Today we're going to overclock your graphics card and optimize it for performance, no matter if it's for editing, gaming, mining crypto, or anything else. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download MSI Afterburner. Don't worry, it works with every graphics card, not just MSI ones. Go to the link in the description to download it. Once downloaded, install the application on your computer. Make sure to keep the Riva Tuner statistics server box ticked if you want GPU temperature and FPS displayed in games. Now that you have MSI Afterburner installed, open it. Before we dive into overclocking, let's ensure you keep an eye on your GPU's temperature. In the monitoring window, you can monitor your graphics card temperature and much more. This step is optional, but I highly recommend it. If you want to skip it and go straight to overclocking, go to this timestamp. A custom fan curve will help you maintain lower temperatures during overclocking. Click the settings icon and go to the fan tab. Here you can set a more aggressive fan curve, which means the fans will ramp up as the temperature increases. Just find a balance between cooling and noise that suits you. Don't forget to apply the new changes. Let's start overclocking now. Head over to the core clock slider. Move it slightly to the right to increase the clock speed of your GPU. Start with small increments like 25 MHz and click the Apply button. We want to test the stability of each step to avoid crashes. After applying the core clock increase, it's time to test the stability. Start your favorite stress test or benchmarking tool, for example 3D Mark, and let it run for a few minutes. Keep an eye out for any artifacts, glitches, or crashes. If you encounter any issues, lower the core clock a bit until it's stable. Once you've found a stable core clock, let's move on to the memory clock. Similar to before, head to the memory clock slider, and again, make small increments, like 50 MHz, and apply the changes. As you can see, the graphics card temperature has decreased since we made the fans spin faster. And once again, run a benchmark test to check the stability. Eventually, you will find an overclock that gives stability and better performance. If you want to go back to normal settings, you can just click the reset button. It's also good to check your FPS in games after the overclock to see if there's any difference. It turns out that 98% of people watching aren't subscribed. Please make sure you like and subscribe to support this channel. Now you've learned how to overclock your GPU using MSI Afterburner. Remember, while overclocking can provide a performance boost, it also increases power consumption and generates more heat. So, always be mindful of your GPU's temperature and don't push it to extreme limits unless you know what you're doing. Thanks for watching and see you soon.